Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I just got finished working on this Galaxy DX979. It's for Michel in Canada. We did it on our Lescomm frequency board here. 40 channels up, normal 40 channels down. An RFX75, a fan kit, and a jack down there for an external frequency counter. Also modified this clarifier to go up and down about 6 kilohertz each. I'm going to leave that right in the middle when you're not using it. Okay, Michel, this is a tune-up report for you. 10, 20, 30 watts across the bottom scale. Okay. Right about 15. And then we go down to the 10 watt scale, and I'm going to drop the power all the way down. You see it's just a touch over 4. Alright, now over here on a 100 watt peak reading, we got 20, 40, 60, and 80s right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check.
Yeah, let's go sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Okay. Now let's put it on the air.
Hey, breaker 19 for radio check, please.